Hello and welcome to today's training. I'm going to talk about how you can upload your products to your online store quickly, and you just need to ignore any other menu here and concentrate on products. So believe me, as I'm in dashboard right now on any of your sites, if you have a dashboard similar to this, you just need to log in. Once you log in, you have a dashboard like this. Then you over to products. Then when you're on products, you click on all products. All products is when you will need to check a list of all your products in your store if you've uploaded your products before. If you've not, then you click on add new products, so which I'm going to be doing today in this video. So I'm going to click on add new products. When I'm in add new products, it's going to load up, and when it loads up, I'm going to get this. I can get to add the product name, product description, and a bunch of other things that's required for us to upload our products to the online store. So trust me, when you are done completing this step, your product is going to be showcased to your site automatically, so you don't need to do any other thing further than just putting this data of the product and publish. So let's get into it. The product name, for instance, the product name is let's say shoe. That's the name, you type in the shoe, then you just paste in your description that you have. So the description could be let's say loafers. If it's loafers, you just put in as much words about the products that you are about to sell. Then when you are done with that, you see the simple product, you leave it here if it's just a simple product. I'm going to talk about much more other variations later, but I want this video to be short and straight to the point so that you can get full attention on how you can publish a simple product to your online store. So now this is a regular price and this is a sale price. So the regular price, you can leave it blank, you can add any amount you want to add. So let's say this shoe is 10,000 naira. So when you put your 10,000 naira, please don't put comma. Then for the sales price is one that shows that discount. Let's say you see a product in an online store and you see 10,000 naira, then you also see a slash at the 10,000 naira, then you see 3,000 naira as the sales price. So that's now going to be the current price. So that's why you can put 7,000 naira as your current price if that's the current price. If it's not, you can change it to what you need to put as a price. So I'm just giving an example on how you can upload your products to your online store. So if you don't want to have anything like slash, you just want to put only the initial price, please remove the regular price and leave your sales price just as it is. So you can see there's virtual and there's downloadable. This is for when you are having digital products, not physical products. So you don't need to concentrate on this if you are into the physical products. So I'm explaining this video for those who are about to publish their physical product to their online store. So this downloadable is for ebooks, if you have ebooks to sell, then also for this virtual. So keeping it simple and clear, I'm just going to put 10,000 naira so that I can have variation in price, so my customers get to know that they feel that I'm giving them something as a discount, which is good for your marketing and your sales. Then when you are done with that, that's pretty much all you need to do. So you can see that over here there's a drop down. I'm going to just leave it as it is. I'm not going to click on anything. I'm going to just move to the top right, which is save drafts, preview, and publish. I'm not going to publish yet because I still need to clear some other things, which is uploading of the product image. So I need to upload the product image, which can be done right here. You click on select image. So I'm going to upload it now to this site. Upload, I'll select and navigate to where I have the files in my PC. So let's say I have it on that desktop, which is under products. Okay, so I have these images. I can upload this image as I want. I can use control on my system to highlight multiple images. Then once I'm done with that, I will just simply upload, and voila, you see all the images loading to your website. So once it's done loading the files, I can select the images I want to be showcased for that product. So I'm going to just give it some time as it's still uploading these files to the website. So it being loaded, just to show you guys practical example on how you can upload your products to your online store. So it's still loading. You just give it some moments. It's going to load up, load up, load up, and load up. So while it's still loading, it's going to load up depending on your internet. Still loading. Okay, so if it's done uploading, you just need to select the image or the products that you want. So if it's this, for instance, I'm going to select this, select, then come to product gallery, then you select the images that you want. So I'm just going to also use control to select the images. Now you find out that there's difference between product image and product gallery. So for product gallery, I can upload several variations of the images I have for this product, while the product image is just one image I can upload. Okay, so you understand it's buy and buy. Once I'm done with this, I will select the category I want. If the category is related to what I'm about to publish, I will select it and check on it. If it's not, I'll scroll down. If you don't have it written here, just click on add new category. Then product tag, you can add it, but it's not compulsory. Once you've set in your category, you've added your product name, description, then you select the price, you put the price, then you can either save as draft, preview, or publish. Save as draft means you want to come back and finish the work later, or preview to see how it's going to be on your store, or publish is going to go live so everybody can see it and order for this your product. And so before I go into that, there's what we call variable product, which I'm going to talk about in the next video. I don't want this video to be longer than I've already talked about, so I'm going to talk about variable product in the next video on how you can publish variable product. Variable product means where you now have several sizes, you have several colors, you have several designs and patterns. So you can see your sizes if you're into fashion and you need to put your size description. If it's 40 centimeter and the rest, you can see them and customize it under the size charts. If you're not into fashion, you're into other physical product sales, you could come to these attributes and change from simple products to variable products. I'm going to talk about all of this deeply in the next video, so stay tuned for the next video. I need to stay creative and try this practically. Thank you.